What if there were a natural way to help you focus, reduce stress, and feel better? What if it involved a drum? Hi, I'm Dory Staley, certified drum therapist, percussionist, and owner of Next Stage Drumming. I discovered this out-of-the-box solution 17 years ago while auditioning for a rockin' church band. I had no prior experience or lessons, and I had no idea that hand drumming could make you feel so good. I just listened and followed the drummer's beats, and I passed the audition. And that's how I work with people. You don't need to have any prior drumming experience. In fact, nearly everyone that I've worked with over the past 10 years had never touched a drum before. In fact, they just follow my beats, and before you know it, they're drumming along with me fine, and we always close out with a rockin' tune. Drum therapy, though, is not a drum lesson. It's a science-based healing modality. If you can count, you can drum. Drumming helps you sync up the left and right hemispheres of your brain so you can focus better. It also lowers your blood pressure, burns calories, and reduces stress, which is the number one trigger for ADHD symptoms, as I have discovered. It'll make you really feel good because it boosts those endorphins, and it just brings people joy. I've worked with people of all ages from 4 to 100, and we have a blast. So let's try some easy beats, okay? Grab something to drum on. You can even use your lap. I'll start with 2 beats, and we'll just add a beat from there, and you'll see how easy this is. 1, 2, here we go. Go. Okay, we'll follow the leader. Okay, 3 beats. Go. Got it. 4. Little single stroke roll there for all you drummers. Okay, and now 5, which I call the cha-cha beat. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Boom, boom, cha-cha-cha. There you go. You got it. Okay. And what I do is a combination of those beats. I create different exercises and customize them based on the individual or the group's needs. And we go from there. However, since it's close to Halloween, I'm going to show you some easy beats that are found in a very popular song this time of year. Let's see if you get it. But you're going to drum along with me. Are you ready? It starts with 2 beats, then 3, then 6, and then 1 final beat. And it sounds like this. Got it? I'll try it again. There you go, Thriller. There, did you get it? Good for you. You just played along to Thriller. So think of what else you can play. Pretty cool, huh? So if you'd like to hear more about how drum therapy has helped me boost my health and how it can help you, just shoot me an email and let's set up a time to chat. My contact information will be at the end of this video. Keep on rocking, my friends, and remember, drumming isn't scary. It's loads of fun. Talk to you next time.